We are doing a very exciting sum. It's a beautiful one. Let's understand this. What is that? It says that on a number line, points A, B and C, there are 3 points on the number line. A, B and C. On a line there are 3 points. That means one thing we know, that these 3 points, they are collinear because they are on the same line. Okay. What else? It says that such that distance between A and C is given as 10 units. Okay. Distance between C and B is given as 8 units. Beautiful. That's given to us. What do they say? They say find distance between A and B, considering all possibilities. Now you need to start thinking, why are they talking about possibilities? We need to find distance between A and B. Yes, you will say we'll find. But why possibilities? Let's understand this question very carefully. Remember, in the sum it says that there are 3 points A, B and C. They are collinear. That means they are on the same line, right? But understand one thing, we don't know what is the betweenness. That means we don't know. It can be 3 different possibilities. You know why? Because B can be between A and C. C can be between A and B. And the third possibility is A can be between B and C. So there are 3 different possibilities, and in each of these possibilities we need to find what is the distance between A and B. That is why they say find distance between A and B in all the 3 possibilities. So let's go one by one. Let's take the first possibility, case 1, that is possibility number 1. Let's say we consider it is A dash B dash C. That means B is between A and C. If B is between A and C, what happens? We know that then distance between A and B plus distance between B and C is equal to distance between A and C. That is what it means, isn't it? Yes. Now distance between A and B, right? Distance between A and B, that is what you are supposed to find. Keep it as it is. Beautiful. Plus distance between C and B, how much is that? It is 8. So we write the 8, that is equal to distance between A and C. How much is that? It is 10. Beautiful. Now this plus 8 goes on to the other side. What do we get? It is 10 minus 8. So we write 10 minus 8. How much is that? It is 2. That means we write distance between A and B is 2 units. Was that easy? So for the first possibility which we considered, we got the distance between A and B. There are 2 more. Let's go for the next one, that is case 2, or we write possibility number 2, right? In the first case, we took B between A and C. Now let's take C between A and B. Let's do that. So let's go the same way. That means distance between A and C plus distance between C and B is equal to distance between A and B. Beautiful. Substitute the value. What is distance between A and C? That is 10. So we write that 10. Distance between C and B, how much is that? It is 8. Distance between A and B, we don't know. Keep it as it is. What is 10 plus 8? 18. So we write 18 is equal to distance between A and B. That means we got that distance between A and B is 18 units. So we found the distance between A and B for the second possibility, for the second case. Now we have one more, that's the third one, right? First we took B between A and C. Then we took C between A and B. What's left? We're talking about A now. So now we consider the third one, that is A is between B and C. Let's do that. So what do we write? Distance between B and A plus distance between A and C is equal to distance between B and C. Beautiful. Let's substitute the value. What is distance between A and B? We need to find. Keep it as it is. What is distance between A and C? We know it is 10, so we write that 10. And distance between C and B we know is 8. Now this plus 10 goes on to the other side. What do we get? Minus 10. So 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10 is nothing but, we have different signs there. So subtract and put the sign of the greater number. That means it is minus 2. So we are getting distance between A and B to be minus 2. Tell me, distance between 2 points on a number line, can that be negative? No. That means we'll write here distance between 2 points on a number line cannot be negative. That means will this exist? That means will this third case exist? No, this doesn't exist. It's not possible. That means B dash A dash C is not possible. That means out of the 3 possibilities, there are 2 possibilities which can be true here because of the distance is given, and these are the 2, that is A dash B dash C. In that case we found out what is distance between A and B. Yes, and this A dash C dash B, we also found that. So that's going to be a final answer, and we write their final answer there for this, right? A dash B dash C, distance between A and B is 2 units. That's the first one. And for the next one, for A dash C dash B, distance between A and B is 18 units, and that's the sum. Was that easy? Very easy, right?